Good morning, dear students. Today we are in chapter 3, that is word problems on addition of rupees and paisa. So in today's class we will solve word problems which are based on rupees and paisa. So let's take a question. Now students, your question is Rama bought a pen for rupees 40.75, a book for rupees 150.25, and a copy for rupees 60.50. How much did she spend at all? So students, रमाले एउटा पेन रुपिज 40.75 मा किनिन्। त्यसै गरी उनले एउटा बुक किनिन् रुपिज 150.25 मा र साथसाथै उनले एउटा कपी पनि किनिन् रुपिज 60.50 मा। अब क्वेसनले हामीलाई सोध्यो हाउ मच डिड सी स्पेन्ड एट अल। त्यसो भए उनले सबै गरेर कति खर्च गरिन्। स्पेन्ड मिन्स खर्च स्टुडेन्ट्स। क्वेसनले हामीलाई सोधेको छ त्यसो भए रमाले पेन, बुक र कपी तीनवटा आइटम्सहरू किन्नको लागि टोटल कति खर्च गरिन्। So students, sometimes most of the students commit mistakes observing at this word, that is spend. Now students, spend को अर्थ हो खर्च, तर खर्च भन्नेमा हामीले यहाँ माइनस हो भन्ने बुझ्ने होइन। हामीलाई क्वेसनले के सोधेको छ उनले पेन, बुक र कपी किन्नको लागि उनले कति खर्च गरिन् भनेर थाहा पाउन हामीले तीनवटै एमाउन्टलाई प्लस गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स, एड गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, नट सबट्र्याक्ट। सो वी नीड टू add all the amount which she had spent on different items, then only we can get the total money she spent at all. So let's add. Students, as we have already studied about how to add the decimal, so you all know, first of all we need to arrange the decimal in a vertical line. We need to keep the decimal in a straight line. Now here I have written cost of a pen rupees 40.75, cost of a book rupees 150.25, cost of a copy rupees 60.50. Now students, let's add. Always we need to perform addition from right. So 5 plus 5 is 10 students, 10 plus 0 is also 10, so we will write 10, 1 will be carry over. So 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 we will write 5, 1 will be carry over in rupees. Now we have to keep decimal just below this decimal. हामीले आन्सरमा पनि डेसिमल राख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स, ठीक माथिको डेसिमलको तल। Now let's add 1 plus 0 is 1. So here there are three zeros. If we add 1 to 3 zeros we will get 1. 1 मा हामीले 0 जोड्यो भने 1 नै पाउँछ स्टुडेन्ट्स। Now 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 we will write 5, 1 will be carry over. Now again this one and this one will be added, so 1 plus 1 will be 2. Now rupees we will write. So students, in this way we have added cost of pen, book and copy. Altogether we got rupees 251.50. It means students, to bought pen, book and copy, Rama spent rupees 251.50. रमाले पेन बुक र कपी तीनवटै आइटम्स किन्नको लागि उनले 251.50 रुपीज खर्च गरिन्. So let's write. So students, in this way Rama spent rupees 251.50. If you write hence or therefore at last, it looks better. So students, now let's move towards next question. So students, next question is, Shambhu gave rupees 20.50 to his son and rupees 41.75 to his daughter. How much money did he give to his children? So विद्यार्थीहरु, शम्भुले आफ्नो छोरालाई 20.5 रुपीज दिनुभयो. त्यसैगरी आफ्नो छोरीलाई उहाँले 41.75 रुपीज दिनुभयो भने हाउ मच मनी डिड ही गिभ टु हिज चिल्ड्रेन. त्यसो भए शम्भुले आफ्नो छोरा र छोरी दुवैलाई टोटलमा कति दिनुभयो? जम्मा जम्मी गरेर आफ्नो छोरा र छोरीलाई, आफ्नो बच्चाहरूलाई शम्भुले कति रुपैयाँ दिनुभयो? So students, to find that total amount, we need to add these two amount which was given by Shambhu to his children. यो दुईवटै अमाउन्टलाई एड गर्यो भने स्टुडेन्ट्स, शम्भुले आफ्नो चिल्ड्रेनलाई कति रुपैयाँ दिनुभयो भन्ने कुरा हामीले थाहा पाउन सकिन्छ. So students, let's add. So students, here I have written solution. So after solution, money given to son rupees 20.50. छोरा दिएको रुपैयाँ 20.50 हो भने छोरीलाई दिएको अमाउन्ट चाहिँ 41.75, 41.75. So students, here I have arranged the decimal. So always we need to arrange the decimal in a vertical line. So now students, let's add. So 0 plus 5 is 5, 7 plus 5 is 12 students. So 12 we will write 2 and 1 we will give carry over. Now before adding this, we need to keep decimal just below this decimal. हामीले ठीक सिधा हुने गरेर डेसिमल राख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स, दायाँ बायाँ होइन. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 students, as because there is 0, 1 plus 1 is 2. Now 2 plus 4 is 6. So students, rupees is here. So rupees. So in this way, here we have got total amount which Shambhu had given to his children, that is 62.25 rupees. So students, let's write hand. So students, therefore Shambhu gave rupees 62.25 to his children. So students, hope you have understood today's class. Now here I would like to give some questions as a homework. So students, here I have given 2 questions as a homework. Hope you will complete it. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.